Hello everyone! We are at Vung Tau Beach!
Yes!
She is... Pagpakilala. Isa pa. Ano yun? I am a katimpa. Hello everyone, we are here at Vung Tau Beach, and for now, I'll be the guest of our beautiful woman in here, Nakakatimpa, and yours truly, I'm Care, and today we are gonna interview someone or people here at the Vung Tau Beach and ask what are their experiences here, if they like the beach, if they like going swimming here, and many other questions.
Okay,
Right,
so,
Tita?
yes, let's begin!
Okay.
First,
I didn't see myself being Chris Aquino here. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm shy. I'm shy. Okay. Hello. Hello. Do you speak English? No. You're not speaking. Thank you.
Thank you!
No.
Ano na po yung isa lang
Huh?
nung failed yung ating unang target,
Oh my god.
umalis tuloy si Kuya.
I feel more motivated to find someone who can speak English.
Hello. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, okay.
I'm from the Philippines.
Yes, okay.
This is my friend here. And we're doing loud from
Yes.
So, my first question is, how do you find
It's very popular. It's my it's Vietnam. Yes, okay. Yes. Every holiday we go here. I see a view, beach, the sun, the morning sun. Yes.
on the water?
Yes.
There's beautiful water.
Yeah. It's beautiful.
You're Vietnamese?
Yes, I'm beautiful.
If you're going to rate Vung Tau Beach in scale of 1 to 10,
It's about 8. I or 9.
I see.
Wow.
Wow, okay. How often do you go swimming here?
About 3 months. Yes,
Every 3 months.
Yeah, every 3 months. Yes. I go with my friends. That's the beach.
They are your friends. Everyone, can you say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes.
It's a...
Thumbs up for me. So, it's your turn now.
Oh my god.
Here's turn now.
Let's go to the couple. Let's go to the couple.
Ito tayo.
Every people I ask, they cannot speak English. But you just want to approach, they can.
Because I use my charm.
You use your charm, so meaning to say you don't have any. I took offense. I'll try to approach them if they can speak in English. Wish me luck. If they
Good
say
luck.
no, let's find another one. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. No. You can speak English? Okay, come on. Thank you. They do not speak English. I'm so sad.
Try to for you. Ano nangyari?
So I've tried to approach 2 group of people. Actually 1 person and 1 couple. But none of them can speak English. So I think I'm not having a good luck today. And you just want to approach to 1 group of people and they can all speak in English. Oh my god, Rita. I feel so sad. Thank you. Tita, what can you say? Okay, still 1-0. So, let's try again. I've tried 2 times, but I failed 2 times. So, this might be my chance. This will be the last chance. And I hope I will choose a group that can speak English. Let's try, however. But I think they are missing. They are very missing. Hello! Can you speak English? Oh, sige. Tingnan. Ang tingnan.
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Kumusta? Mabuti?
Mabuti.
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 Interviewing people about the
Bung Tau.
Just a couple of questions. Okay. Do you like Bung Tau Beach?
Yeah, we like it. Very nice.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how can you rate Bung Tau Beach?
1 to 10. So I think it's I.
It's
What?
8.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Lee.
Anne. Hi, Miss Anne. And what's your name, sir?
Oh, H-O-N-G. Yeah.
And she's Miss T.
Tin.
She's
My
my
name is
aunt.
Tin.
Yan.
From the Philippines.
She visited here and I work here.
He's working here.
Yes, I work here as a teacher and she visited us. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys. Enjoy.
Salamat.
Salamat. Enjoy.
Enjoy your trip. Tita, I have 1.
Congrats.
Oh.
So what's the score now?
It's 1.
So
Can you speak?
can you speak English?
Oh my God.
By the way, my name is Christine. I'm from the Philippines. And your name?
My name is Nya from
So I just want to ask a couple of questions, okay? 2 questions. It's easy question. Okay. So how do you find Bung Tau? Do you like Bung Tau Beach?
Yes, I really like because this is my interest. Yes, I think it's beautiful place.
And in the rate?
If you are going to give score 1 to 10, 1 will be the lowest and 10 will be the highest, how can you give score? 1 or 10?
I think it's
6, I see.
friendly.
Friendly, I see.
Yes.
Thank you so
And
much.
you're one of the friendliest Vietnamese girl.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bao nhiêu tuổi?
17.
7. Bye-bye.
Okay, so medyo may nalag po ako doon. Murong konti lang ako.
Sorry guys, I had to help Tita
Yeah.
because some Vietnamese really like the basic English, but Tita used not so basic, so I had to help
Patay ko
her.
nahirapan eh.
Yeah.
So at least,
Ah.
ang starting namin ay wow!
No! Wow!
So, who's the winner?
No! No! Ah, Tita, paano yun sa'yo ng winner?
We can stay together. We could spend a wonderful time. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a
This is what you call kaba.
Ha?
Kaba.
Ano ka ba?
Kabadingan.
Ako sa'yo.
Gusto mo ba Tita igawa kita ng kaba?
Yes, please.
Yeah, later. 2 kaba na yan. Yung kaba, kabadingan.